the proponents just can't get it through their head that different rules don't completely apply to gay people because they think that the ordinary rules don't apply and gay people are inferior, and this motion is an example of that. The cases are uniform, and they shouldn't be bringing this motion, and I would ask the court to affirm Judge Ware's decision.
Even in a case where a ruling upholding Proposition 8 would mean that he could never get married?
Even in a case where it would mean that he could never get married?
Yeah.
Yes, he's not disqualified. He fairly and impartially considered the evidence, weighed the evidence, and frankly, it goes back to the other motion, but the claims about unfairness. But basically, there's no indication here that Judge Walker was unfair, and this court is required to presume the opposite. And it can't speculate, hypothesis, conjecture, which is all that they have here. And stereotyping, basically, that gay people in relationships are likely to want to get married. And we don't do that in our society. We don't rely on stereotypes, and it would eviscerate the justice system.
Stereotypes. I mean, you could make the same presumption with heterosexuals. It doesn't have anything to do, in this case, with discrimination against gays. The question of whether you could presume that people want to get married in society, and the presumption would be that gays, like heterosexuals, want to get married.
Every gay person wants to get married.
Okay. Well, that's, Mr. Cooper says we're not talking about gays who want to get married. We're talking about a particular person who may be on the verge of wanting to get married.
Maybe on the verge.
Yeah. Now, and he says, then his next point is that when you have, under 455, when you don't have the information that's only known to the judge that would be material, that the judge has the obligation to come forward with that. Now, it may not be right. I'm just trying to say this is not an argument that all gays are accused because they're gays.
It's awfully close, Your Honor.